In this video, we can talk about the vascular system or ambulacral system. This vascular system or ambulacral system is a unique feature for echinoderms. This system is developed from the coelom. It is responsible for locomotion, nutrition, excretion, and respiration. Sometimes it is also responsible for the sensory perception. Here, you can see the vascular system is important feature for echinoderms as like the canal system in the peripherence. Here, you can see the vascular system or ambulacral system is the unique feature for echinoderms. It includes the madreporite, stone canal, ring canal, TIEDMANN bodies, and POLIAN vesicles, radial canal, lateral canal, and tube feet. However, the vascular system is meant for locomotion, nutrition, excretion, respiration, and sensory perception. Here you can see the picture of vascular system. Here the vascular system starts with the madreporite. Madreporite is a calcareous plates. It shows nearly 200 pores in which the seawater enters and it enters into the stone canal. Stone canal attaches in between the ring canal and the madreporite. Here, the stone canal is consisting of a number of calcareous rings. That's why it is called as a stone canal, in which the cilia will flagellate and the water enters into the madreporite and gets into the stone canal and goes into the ring canal. Here, the pentaradial ring canal arises. It gives five the radial canals. Here, the pentaradial ring canal also shows the Tiedmann bodies, nine Tiedmann bodies. Here, the small pouch-like structures, what you called as the Tiedmann bodies, and we will see the five the Polian vesicles. Polian vesicles are meant for the they contains the seawater. Whenever there is a shortage of seawater coming to this pentaradial canal, this water goes continuously and it functions as usual. Here, the treatment bodies are considered to be contains the amoebocytes. The amoebocytes are meant for protection and offense and defense of the system. Here, these radial canals is having the lateral canals. Lateral canals ends with the tube feet. The tube feet shows three structures, the sac-like ampulla and the middle podium as well as the lower sucker, the disc-like sucker. These three structures, what you called as tube feet. Here, the lateral canals opens into the tube feet. This is the general organization of the vascular system. Here you can see the vascular system is derived from the coelom. During development, vascular system shows the following structures. They are madreporite, stone canal, a ring canal, Tiedmann bodies, Polian vesicles, radial canals, lateral canals. Lateral canals are also known as the podial canals as well as the tube feet. Here you can see I have developed a small mnemonic for the vascular system, that is the MSR, tied polar radiation in L&T for lonars. Here you can see once again the mnemonic MSR tied polar radiation in L&T. You know, Larsen and Turbo is one of the biggest giant industrial industry in India, and the MSR is one of the simple word. Tide is also simple word. Polar radiation is also simple word. In and for has no meaning. Here you can see the MSR tide polar radiation in L&T for lonar. Lonar means this vascular system is meant for locomotion, adhesion, nutrition, excretion, as well as respiration. Sometimes it is also responsible for the sensory reception. Here you can see the mnemonic in a bright way. The madreporite. M means the madreporite. Here, the madreporite acts as a sieve plate as well as the stone canal. Stone canal shows the calcareous rings, made up of calcium carbonate, and that's why it is called as a stone canal. S means stone canal, R means ring canal, M means madreporite, S means stone canal, R means the pentaradial ring canal, tide means the Tiedman bodies, and as polar means polar vesicles. There are five in number. Radiation means radial canals. Lateral canals will lead to lateral canals. Lateral canals are also known as podial canals. And the T meant for the tube feet. The LO means locomotion, N means nutrition, E is excretion, and R is meant for a respiration. Here you can see the madreporite. It is a calcareous plate and it is a sieve like, the sieve which is present in our home. You can see it can separate the paddy, and the small pebbles will be separated, as well as some broken paddy also separated. It is present on the arboreal side. When you see the animal of starfish, there are two sides. One is the oral side and arboreal side. In oral side, you can see the mouth. In arboreal side, you can see the anus side. That means arboreal side means anus side. The madreporite is situated in between the arms of the arboreal side. It is a calcareous plate and it is a sieve-like. It is present on arboreal side, that is in anus side. It shows numerous pores, nearly 200 pores are present. It shows grooves and ridges. Next one is the madreporite will leads into stone canal. From the madreporite, S-shaped stone canal will arise. It is supported by calcareous rings, hence it is called as a stone canal. It opens into the ring canal. Ring canal and the pentaradial ring canal is in. Next one is radial canal. From each corners of the ring canal, five radial canals will arise. They travel above the umbilical goose. They give pairs of lateral canals. Here you can see the lateral canals are also known as podial canals. Pairs of lateral canals arise. They end up with tube foot. The tube feet, each tube foot shows sac-like ampulla on the upper region. In the middle region, you can see tube-like structure called podium, and the lower disc-like structure, sucker, and it shows three structures, that is APS. APS means upper, you can see the upper ampulla, middle podium, and the lower disc-like structure, what you called as the sucker. And this lateral canal opens into the tube feet. Here you can see the Polian vesicles. The exact nature of the Polian vesicles is the meant for the storage of the seawater. On the five interradii of the ring canal, five Polian vesicles will arise. They store seawater and it acts as a reservoir of seawater. And next one is Tiedman bodies. The exact function of the Tiedman bodies is unknown till today, but some of the scientists they believe that on the five interradii of the ring canal, nine Tiedman bodies will arise. They are phagocytic in nature. They produce amoebocytes. These amoebocytes are meant for offense and defense of the system. Here you can see the functions of water vascular system. It is helpful in locomotion and adhesion. It helps in food collection and transportation of food. It is helpful in excretion. It is helpful in respiration and sensory reception. This is the structure, this is the functions of the water vascular system. This water vascular system is meant for locomotion and adhesion. It helps in food collection and transportation. It is helpful in excretion. It is helpful in respiration, and it is responsible for sensory reception. This is the thing you have to see in the water vascular system. This is the end of the lecture. Thank you for watching. We will see in the next lecture also.